Stubborn belly fat? Not anymore, we've all been there. You look in the mirror and there it is, that stubborn layer of fat around your middle, refusing to budge no matter how hard you try. You might feel frustrated, maybe even a little defeated. But don't give up hope just yet. You're about to discover the secret to banishing belly fat and sculpting the strong, confident core you've always wanted. And the best part, you can achieve incredible results in just 1 month. This isn't some magic trick or a quick fix. It's about committing to a proven plan that combines effective exercises with simple lifestyle changes. Are you ready to embrace a healthier, fitter you? Let's do this.
My mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate
Life. Your 1-month transformation starts now. This isn't your average workout plan. This is a targeted, science-backed program designed to torch belly fat and build core strength, all within a month. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is determination and a commitment to making a positive change. This plan focuses on high-intensity exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing calorie burn and boosting your metabolism. This means you'll continue burning calories long after your workout is complete. Get ready to feel the burn, sculpt your midsection, and feel amazing from the inside out. Get your body moving, the warm-up. Before diving into the main workout, it's crucial to prepare your body for action with a dynamic warm-up. This helps increase blood flow to your muscles, improves flexibility, and reduces the risk of injury. Spend 5 minutes performing the following exercises. Jumping jacks for 1 minute. A classic for a reason. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms overhead. Return to the starting position and repeat. High knees for 30 seconds. Bring those knees up high, stand tall and alternate, bringing your knees towards your chest as you jog in place. Butt kicks for 30 seconds, time to wake up those glutes. Jog in place, bringing your heels up towards your glutes with each step. Arm circles for 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. Swing your arms in wide circles forward, then switch directions and circle them backward. Leg swings for 30 seconds per leg. Stand tall and swing one leg forward and backward like a pendulum. Repeat on the other side. Unleash your inner athlete, the secret workout. Now it's time to get that heart rate pumping and target that belly fat. Perform each exercise for the specified time, taking a 30-second rest between exercises. Mountain climbers for 1 minute. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your body forming a straight line. Alternate bringing your knees towards your chest in a running motion. Engage your core and keep your hips low. Burpees for 1 minute. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position, then immediately return to the squat. Explosively jump up, reaching your arms overhead. Russian twists for 1 minute. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and lift your feet a few inches off the ground. Hold a weight or a water bottle with both hands and twist your torso from side to side, touching the weight to the floor on each side. Plank for 1 minute. Get into a push-up position, but rest your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and glutes. Bicycle crunches for 1 minute. Lie on your back with your knees bent and hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your right elbow towards your left knee while simultaneously extending your right leg. Repeat on the other side, mimicking a pedaling motion. Jump squats for 1 minute. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat position, then explode upwards in a powerful jump. Land softly and immediately go into the next squat. Repeat this circuit 3 times for a total workout time of 18 minutes, plus rest periods. Cool down and recharge. Stretching for success. After your workout, take a few minutes to cool down and stretch. This helps prevent muscle soreness, improves flexibility, and allows your heart rate to return to normal gradually. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the position. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Reach for your toes, keeping your back straight. Quadriceps stretch. Stand tall and grab your right foot with your right hand. Gently pull your heel towards your glutes. Repeat on the other side. Triceps stretch. Reach your right arm overhead and bend your elbow, dropping your hand behind your head. Use your left hand to gently pull your right elbow further. Repeat on the other side. Tips to turbocharge your results. Follow these additional tips to enhance your results and achieve your dream physique even faster. Consistency is key. Aim to complete this workout 3 to 4 times per week, with rest days in between to allow your muscles to recover. Fuel your body right. Combine this workout plan with a healthy, balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated, support your metabolism, and flush out toxins. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can lead to increased belly fat storage. You've got this. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, more confident you. Remember, achieving your fitness goals requires dedication and effort, but the results are worth it. Embrace the challenge, stay consistent, and watch as your body transforms. You've got this.